We're going to begin by using the myArraySolutions.py module to demonstrate some of these vectorized operations. So this is going to be the end result. I'm not going to show you the code. I'm just going to import this in and then work with these two arrays that I've created over here, which are just lists of integers, and show you how it works. All right, so number one, if we go back over to the file system view, you will see this myArraySolution.py. It's in the same directory as where our notes notebook is, so we can import it. It is in the current working directory. We're not going to look at it, of course, because that's the solution, but we can import it. So myArraySolution as MAS, we'll just abbreviate it so we don't have to type it all out. So we'll use MAS here, and let's make sure I have inputted in the arrays. So if I press dot and then tab, you can see here are all the functions, and you're going to be writing the code for these functions as we go along. So I'm going to start off with just adding a constant over here. So let's just take array A, and let's say I want to add 10 to each value. So this is essentially doing A plus 10 to each one. And if I do this, it should return a new array that has the values with 10 added to them. All right, so it's just that simple. Let's see a couple others. So not add anymore. Let's look at, say, multiply constant. So let's take, we can take B this time and multiply everything by 3. So it's going to take the array B, multiply each value by 3, and then just return that right there. Now, it does also do array by array calculations. So let's just do again, add, this time arrays, not add constant, A comma B. So what this will do, and there is some documentation, and it actually tells you, it gives you a little example over here. Add each value in array 1 to the value of array 2 in the same position. All right, so it's going to do one by one, element by element, 9 plus 10, 23 plus -4, -5 plus 14, and so forth, and it'll get that answer. So each position adds to the array, the position at the other array, like that. Okay, good. So that's basically the module. There's a few more functions for divide and subtraction, and both for constants and arrays, but that's how it works. So we're going to be implementing this. The solution is already there. We're going to go through one at a time and implement each one of these functions in that module, and then once we've implemented all of the functions, we will have finished the module.